Hello and welcome back to efficiencyandorganization.com. This is the fourth video in the series of videos, and this will be your tips 16 to 20 on how to declutter, get organized, and be super productive in your life. Please be sure to do the following: subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that way you could be informed when new videos come out, which I am now doing twice a week. All right, so tip number 16. You are going to train yourself to wake up 30 minutes to 1 hour early every day, including the weekends. If you do this repeatedly for a course of 3 months, you're going to notice it's going to become a habit. So even when you do want to sleep in, you're going to get up. Automatically, you're just going to get up. It's an excellent organizing strategy because that's when you get up and you get your day going. You plan, you sequence. What am I going to do today? What are my priority things I need to do? How am I going to get them done? Which ones can I tackle first, second, third without procrastinating? So excellent organizing strategy. Remember, organizing does not just mean having a clean desk, having a clean and neat home. It's not that. It has more to do with organizing the mind, organizing your time than anything else to be very productive and get a lot of things done. You have a finite number of days to live on this earth, so you're trying to do what you can to make the most out of it, get the most experience, achieve a lot and do a lot. And so if you're one of those people, that's how I am, then this is where these tips and ideas and stuff become so much more relevant and important. So that's why getting up 30 minutes a day every day, getting up an hour a day every day is so helpful, because that's how you basically add more time to your day. Okay, tip number 17. If you have been subscribing to a bunch of things in the past, or if you are getting emails that you have not subscribed for previously, that happens to me all the time, then you are going to go in and unsubscribe from 5 of these emails each week. So all of a sudden, if you get an email from somewhere, you're like, oh, okay, I'd never signed up for this. Great. Go to the bottom of the email and there should be a key that says unsubscribe. Do that. It's going to save you so much time, because I've seen people who have like 800, 900, 1,000, 10,000 emails in their inboxes. Unsubscribe from those unwanted emails. So you're going to do 5 for this week, hopefully 5 for next week, and your inbox is going to look better and better. Number 18 is very closely related. You're going to delete emails. So if you're are sending an email somewhere and then they reply back with a thank you, delete that. You guys, you don't need to keep that. If you are receiving emails from payroll or from wherever, and then they're like, okay, this and this is done, it's just an informative email, delete, don't save. So you might need to refer to that email for the next month. And guess what? If you delete, it stays in your deleted folder anyway. It stays there at least 1 month. So if you do need to retrieve it, you could go back and retrieve it. But your inbox has to be organized, and you have to delete emails so that way it's not a big mess. The way I think of it is, I'm like, okay, imagine I get letters, right? Like all the mail we get at home. Imagine you don't throw them away for a year. It's going to be like a huge stack, piles everywhere, and we don't realize it, but that adds stress to our day. And also it saves us because we keep looking at it, and it works against focus and concentration. So that's why it's in your best interest to make sure you delete your email inbox. Let's talk about books and magazines and stuff. So if you purchase books, you purchase magazines, awesome. I do too. But here's my strategy, because I've been guilty of keeping books after I finish reading them. Magazines, I used to have tons of National Geographic magazines. Have one place where you're going to store those, okay? And if it's too cluttered, you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have any more place in here, in this cabinet to stick another one, in this bookshelf to put another book. Guess what? Time to get rid of them. Don't open new places up to store them. Donate them, make sure you get rid of them, give them away to libraries, do what you got to do, but do not add more space, more shelves to store those books. You don't need them. Okay, and tip 20 is probably my favorite in this video to talk to you about. Make sure somebody other than you knows where at home you are keeping your bank information, your tax information, life insurance information, retirement information. Here's why. Something could happen to you. You might suddenly get sick. You might suddenly have a car accident. Somebody other than you needs to know where to go and find that documentation because they need that to be able to access your accounts, know where to call in case they need to call for life insurance benefits, where to call for your retirement benefits. It's very, very important that somebody that we trust, whether it's a son, daughter, husband, aunt, whoever, parent, knows where to retrieve that information in case something happens to us because it's very important for them to get access to it. All right, I'll have the link to the other videos that I did because this is the 16 to 20 tips. So all the other ones that I did previously, I'll have the link in the description box that you can see. And I have plenty more coming because remember, we're going to go up to 100. So make sure you subscribe so you could get those and all the other videos that I put up because they are really helpful. Even if you get one thing out of each video, it's going to help you in your life. I think I'm done for this video. I don't think I have anything else to share with you. So I will catch you in the next one.